Mark Hutton, University of Maine Cooperative Extension and Vegetable Specialist. One of the things we're talking about today is how to handle tomatoes in the home garden. One of the things I see very often with home garden tomatoes is the use of these tomato cages. These do work if you just have a few tomatoes, but generally they're not going to give the plant enough support if you're growing a large plant with large fruit. And it's going to be difficult to get that fruit out from inside this cage. Also, as the plant gets larger, you're going to need to give it some sort of support, pieces of rebar or some stake through either side of the cage, because it's really not going to hold a strong, large plant. Other options to use for caging plants would be something like this. This is a cage made out of concrete reinforcing wire. You can see it has a fairly big opening, but this opening isn't quite big enough if you're harvesting large beefsteak or heirloom type tomatoes from inside this cage. It will, however, work well if you're harvesting small cluster tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, things like that do work really well in a cage like this.